In this video, we are going to look at how to calculate statistics from small discrete data. Okay, so when we say statistics, we mean the mean, the mode, the range, and the median. So we're going to look at how to calculate the mean, the mode, the range, and the median of small discrete data. Okay, so we have case 1. Case 1 is when n is odd. When n is an odd number, when we say n, we mean the number of observation. Okay, to understand this, let's look at this example here. 5 people play golf. The data below shows their scores. So this data here. So you can see that n here is 5. You can count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is an odd number. When you talk about odd numbers, we mean numbers that are not divisible by 2. Okay, so when n is odd, is our first case that we are looking at. Okay, so we have this question here. Calculate the range. So they want you to find the range, to find the range. Okay, so the range. So I'm going to write it here. So range is equal to, so the range is the difference between the largest score or the largest value among these and the smallest value. So the largest value here is 7. So the range is 7 minus the smallest here is 3. 7 minus 3, which is 4. So the range is 4. B, they want you to find the median. Okay, so median is the middle value. The value that is the middle value or the middle score. When all these scores have been arranged from smallest to biggest or to largest. So the smallest is 3, so we have 3. We have 4, we have 2 4s actually, this one and this one, then 5 and 7. So all the time when finding the median of small data set, discrete data set, you first arrange them from smallest to largest. Then after that, you start cancelling. 1, you cancel this, you cancel that, you cancel that. So you can see that you've cancelled 2 numbers on the right and 2 numbers on the left. So the number that is remaining at the middle is the mode. Is the median. So median is 4. Okay, 4 scores, 4 goes. Okay, the next question, they want you to find the mean. The mean is when you add all the numbers, then divided by n. N in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see, mean is the summation. So this is called the sigma, is a Greek symbol, sigma of xi's. Xi's, it means all these numbers, the addition, the summation of all the numbers over n. N, we said is 5. So we are having 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6, 4. So you have 5. Okay, this is 3. So 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then everything divided by n, which is 5. Okay? And then when you add all these, you are going to see that you have 23 here. Then divide by 5, which gives 4.6 as the mean. So the mean is 4.6. Then the last question is saying, what is the mode? The mode is the most appearing number, or the most appearing score, or the most frequent. So when you look at this, 4, we have two 4s here. So meaning, since 4 is appearing more, that will be the mode. Okay, so 4 will be the mode. So the mode is 4. If you had two numbers appearing more, then you're going to have those two numbers. And when you have two modes, we call that as bimodal. Okay, so we are done with this. So what you have to know is that when n is odd, or when n is not divisible by 2, then you have only one number at the middle when the numbers have been arranged in order from smallest to largest, like we had here. Okay, now let's look at case number 2, where you have n as an even number. What we mean by even number when n is divisible by 2. Okay, so here's an example. 10 people play golf, and the data below shows their scores. So you have 10 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 10. Okay, so these numbers are 10. So n already here is 10. The number of observation is 10. Okay, now they want you to find the mode. So the mode, the most appearing number here. What is the most appearing number here, or the most frequent number here? So you can see that you have 1, 2, you have 3 6s. So meaning, since 6 is appearing 3 times than any other number, it means that 6 is the mode. Okay, B, they want you to find the median. Okay, here, this is where we have to differentiate when you have n as even and when you have n as an odd number. So when you have n as an odd number, okay, so the process or the procedure is the same. We need to arrange these from smallest to biggest. So we are going to say the smallest here is 2. We only have 1, 2. Then the second, and the second one is 3. Then 4. Then we have 2 5s, 5. So then we have 6. We have 3 6s, 1, 2, 3. And then we have 7 and 8. Make sure that they are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so they are 10. So now you begin to cancel just as we did in the first place. Then this and that. Then also this and that. And this and that. So you can see that on the right you have cancelled 1, 2, 3, 4. Even on the left you have cancelled 4. So you can see that you are remaining with 2 numbers in the middle. Okay? So since you are remaining with 2 numbers, the median now will be equal to 5 plus 6. The same numbers, you add them, 5 plus 6, then you divide by 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. Then divide by 2 is 5.5. So this is what you have to know, that when n is even, you have 2 middle numbers that you are supposed to add and then divide by 2. Okay, hope that's clear. Then the mean. The mean is actually summation of all the numbers, then divide by n. So mean, so you see, the procedure is the same as the first one. Mean is equal to the summation of all the numbers, then divide by n. I mean by n, yes. So you have, you can actually even get them from here. So you have 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4, or 4, you only have 1 4, so, but 2 5s plus 5 plus 3 6s, 6 plus 6 plus 6, then plus 7 plus 8, then everything divided by n, which is 10, okay? So 10. So now, when you add this, you are going to have 52 over 10, and this gives 5.2 as the mean. So the mean score was 5.2. Now let's look at the range, which is the last one. So range is the difference between the largest and the smallest. So the largest is 8, or we can even get it from here, is 8. So you have 8 minus the smallest is 2. So this is 6. So the range is 6. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, comment, hit the like button, and share. And if you are watching from Facebook, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the link that is in the description above.